Today we'll talk about how can you enable announcements notifications on your Hinge app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down, you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to announcements, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean announcements notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.